McFly Shoe Rescue, your sneaker 911.
What's going on YouTube? It's McFly back with another sneaker cleaning video. Today we're going to be cleaning up a pair of women's Nike Kaishi. These are very dirty. I don't know if you can even tell with how dirty they are. The toe box is filthy. Here the upper, the knit around the upper, and even the midsole, pretty dirty. Both of them look similar to this. So it's going to take me a few minutes to get these cleaned up. Nothing overly involved as far as the cleaning goes, just going to take me a few minutes to get them cleaned up. So let's get started. video on the cleaning on these Nike Kaishi or whatever you want to call it. I did go ahead and add a little bit of detail here, just a bit of purple, light purple detailing on here for the customer. Because her favorite color is purple, so her brother that brought these in asked me to add in a little bit of personalization, so added a little bit of purple. The cleaning, they did come out pretty good. There are some stains that are just pretty much impossible to get out of the mesh, but compared to the other one, this is how they came in. This one's filthy still, so I still got to get at that. But side by side comparison, you can see the difference. Came out pretty good. I'm really happy with those. Anyway, guys, if you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, leave a comment, like, share the video. It goes a long way. I'm gonna leave all of my social media info in the description. I haven't done that yet, so I'm gonna start doing that so you guys can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Anyway, guys, as always, my name is McFly, and I'm out of here.